Eyes covered in ink and bleach.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. So we have a really special build today. Special not because of the parts, because of who we actually are shipping it to. So this build is actually going to Microsoft. So they had a whole set of 17 builds. They're using this for the HoloLens lab that they're setting up in town. So just a quick note on the specs: 9900K, 32 GB RAM, plus a 2070 GTX, all in this beautiful piece of chassis from Phanteks, Shift X Evolve. Evolve Shift X.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.